Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland Family. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer: Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is a gas giant, meaning it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Jupiter is so big that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. It also has a great red spot, which is a giant storm that has been dragging for hundreds of years. How long does it take for the Earth to orbit the Sun? Answer: 365.25 days. The Earth takes approximately 365.25 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. This extra 0.25 day is why we have a leap year every 4 years, adding an extra day, 29th February, to our calendar to keep it in sync with Earth's orbit. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched into space? Answer: Sputnik 1. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite launched into space by the Soviet Union on 4th October 1957. It marked the beginning of space exploration and the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Sputnik 1 orbited the Earth, sending back radio signals that were received by scientists around the world. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Answer: Mars. Mars is called the Red Planet because of its reddish appearance, which comes from iron oxide, rust, on its surface. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and is a prime candidate for future exploration by humans. What force keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun? Answer: Gravity. Gravity is the force that attracts objects toward each other. The Sun's gravity pulls the planets towards it, keeping them in orbit. At the same time, the planet's motion wants to pull them away from the Sun, resulting in a stable orbit where these forces balance out. What is the name of the galaxy we live in? We live in the Milky Way galaxy, which is a spiral galaxy containing billions of stars, including our Sun. The Milky Way is so vast that it would take light about 100,000 years to travel across it from one end to the other. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon on 20th July 1969, during the Apollo 11 mission. His famous words upon stepping onto the lunar surface were, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." What is a black hole? Answer: a region in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. A black hole is a point in space where the gravitational pull is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. How many moons does Mars have? Answer: 2. Mars has 2 small moons named Phobos and Deimos. They are much smaller than Earth's moon and are thought to be captured asteroids from the asteroid belt. What is the main component of the Sun? Answer: hydrogen. The Sun is primarily composed of hydrogen gas. In its core, hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium through nuclear fusion, releasing a tremendous amount of energy that powers the Sun and provides heat and light to our solar system. What planet is known for its beautiful rings? Answer: Saturn. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings, which are made up of ice, rock, and dust. These rings are incredibly thin compared to their width and span up to 175,000 miles across. Despite their size, they are only about 30 feet thick. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Answer: Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is slightly larger than Earth's moon and has very little atmosphere, causing it to experience extreme temperature variations between day and night. What is a comet made of? Answer: ice, dust, and rocky material. Comets are composed of ice, dust, and rocky material. They originate from the outer regions of the solar system and develop bright tails when they approach the Sunday. The heat from the sun causes the ice to vaporize, creating a glowing coma and a tail that points away from the sun. How many planets are in our solar system? Answer: 8. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union, IAU, in 2006. What is the closest star to Earth? Answer: the Sun. The Sun is the closest star to Earth, providing the light and heat necessary for life. It is a medium-sized star located at the center of our solar system. The next closest star system to Earth is Alpha Centauri, which is about 4.37 light-years away. What phenomenon occurs when the moon passes directly between the Earth and the Sun? Answer: a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly between the Earth and the Sun, blocking the Sun's light. During a total solar eclipse, the day turns dark as the Sun is completely covered by the moon. Solar eclipses can only happen during a new moon. What is the name of the space telescope that has provided us with stunning images of the universe? Answer: the Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, has provided incredible images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and other celestial objects. It orbits above Earth's atmosphere, allowing it to capture clearer images than ground-based telescopes. What is the term for a group of stars that form a recognizable pattern? Answer: constellation. A constellation is a group of stars that form a recognizable pattern in the night sky. These patterns are often named after mythological figures, animals, or objects. Examples include Orion, the Big Dipper, and Cassiopeia. Which planet is known for having the most moons? Answer: Jupiter. Jupiter has the most moons of any planet in our solar system, with at least 79 known moons. The 4 largest, known as the Galilean moons, are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, each with unique characteristics and features. What is the name of our galaxy's closest neighboring galaxy? Answer: the Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way and is located about 2.537 million light-years away. It is on a collision course with the Milky Way and is expected to merge with our galaxy in about 4.5 billion years. What is the coldest planet in our solar system? Answer: Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system, with temperatures dropping as low as -224 degrees Celsius, -371 degrees Fahrenheit. Its cold temperature is due to its great distance from the Sun and its lack of internal heat compared to other giant planets. What do we call the path that a planet takes around the Sun? Answer: orbit. An orbit is the path that a planet takes around the Sunday. The shape of an orbit is generally an ellipse. The gravitational pull of the Sun keeps the planets in their orbits. Which dwarf planet is located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter? Answer: Ceres. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt and is classified as a dwarf planet. It was the first dwarf planet visited by a spacecraft when NASA's Dawn mission orbited it in 2015. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Answer: hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, making up about 75% of its normal matter. It is a primary building block of stars, including our Sun, where hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form helium and release energy. What is the term for a rocky object that enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up? Answer: meteor. A meteor is a rocky or metallic object from space that enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up due to friction with the air, creating a bright streak of light often referred to as a shooting star. If any part of the object survives and lands on Earth, it is called a meteorite. What planet is known for its extreme greenhouse effect? Answer: Venus. Venus experiences an extreme greenhouse effect due to its thick atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide. This causes surface temperatures to soar to around 465 degrees Celsius, 869 degrees Fahrenheit, making it hotter than Mercury, despite being further from the Sun. What happens during a lunar eclipse? Answer: The Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, casting a shadow on the Moon. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth moves between the Sun and the Moon, causing Earth's shadow to fall on the Moon. This can only happen during a full moon. Depending on how the Sun, Earth, and Moon are aligned, the eclipse can be total, partial, or penumbral. What space mission first landed humans on the Moon? Answer: Apollo 11. The Apollo 11 mission was the first to land humans on the Moon. On 20th July 1969, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed the lunar module Eagle on the Moon's surface, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. What are the small bodies that orbit the Sun, mostly found between Mars and Jupiter? Answer: Asteroids. Asteroids are small, rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, primarily found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They vary in size from small rocks to dwarf planets like Ceres and are remnants from the early solar system that never formed into planets. What is the name of the second largest dwarf planet in our solar system? Answer: Pluto. Pluto is the second largest known dwarf planet in our solar system and was once considered the ninth planet. It is located in the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune filled with small icy bodies. Pluto has 5 known moons, with Charan being the largest. Please subscribe for more update. And don't forget to like, share and comment.